This is the latest model of ABDULLAH Kneader of 3.5 kg capacity. AE390 being checked for Daraz order on 25th March 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade, a measuring flask, a metal blade. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. You can see from the bottom also. Now we will start the machine. This is also called high torque model, and its noise level is quite low than the other models. We then pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. Then we pack it in the brown sheet, finally in bubble wrap, and apply the fragile stickers for safe courier till the customer. The machine is about to stop automatically when the timer comes to the off position. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. The machine has automatically stopped. It is perfectly okay, and now we will pack it for the Daraz. डालो डब्बे में डालो पहले. और रखो, ऊपर वाला फोम रखो. ठीक है, अब इसको कर देना पैक दराज के शिपिंग लेवल.